This is Stay Visible, July 2026, and I've got three things for you in this short video. AI Deep Dives, a new SISTRIX feature, visibility leaders, some new data for you, blueprints for success data, and some information about some work we've done with Screaming Frog. So let's get on with it. First of all, I want to mention the new AI data features, the AI Deep Dives from SISTRIX. You've all tried putting data through MCP into chatbots and getting reports and stuff out. What we're trying to do with deep dives is not only help you with the prompting, but actually put data in front of the chatbots as well, and also multiple chatbots. So we're going to take SISTRIX data through multiple chatbots to use our skills that we've developed over the last 20 years, and also make sure that the formatting is consistent for you so you get some nice reports. There's a bunch of deep dives. We've got 7 available today as I record this video, but I know some more are coming. Brand sentiment analysis, for example. That's an interesting one. I'll show you an example in a minute. Fact consistency check across multiple chatbots to find the things that aren't consistent across chatbots. Intent profiles, so how people are putting their prompts into chatbots. Sorry, how the answers are revealing intent for the brands and entities that are being looked at. Own citations, information about how your website is being cited. External citations, competitive environment, and competitor gap analysis. Let me give you a quick example. Benetton, this is great to do digital due diligence, pitch preparation. I've even used it for, competitor intel analysis, and I found it quite interesting, actually, in my own marketing work. A couple of examples to try if you get the chance. Marmite is a great one. And Enron, which is the worst one I could find so far, with a sentiment value of -92. And what was the other one I did recently? I can't remember, but it was another one that I did recently, which was very interesting. Oh yes, it was one of our competitors. So I actually regenerated that within AI to create a kind of sales battle card for the sales team, and that worked quite well. Right, that's point one, but let me quickly tell you about the newsletter, sistrix.com/newsletter to subscribe. So that's twice a month. We've got Jonah Alderson, and we've got our founder, Johannes Boyce, writing 2 excellent newsletters. So sign up to that. And also, if you want to comment on this video, I'm kind of in a stealth mode with this video at the moment, this video series, but I'm watching the videos. If you want to put a comment in, please do, and I'll try do my best to get you an answer. Point 2, I wanted to talk about visibility leaders. It's something we do twice a year. I'm on stage at Brighton SEO with that. This year, we've been doing women's fashion again, and we've got you 4 winners. There's some deep analysis. I'll show you the 4 winners in a minute. 47 new examples of directories that are performing well in search. You can look, there's a lookup table you can use to try and get great examples. There's a couple of reports written by Charlie Williams and Callum Lockwood. And I've got some new trackers as well. Let's look at the 4 winners. The Shirt Company in organic search was a winner. Simply Swim in organic search was a winner. We also did AI analysis as well. InStyle, for example, cited a very important citation location, and Who, What, Where was cited. In fact, Who, What, Where, if I just look at that data, we know that YouTube and Reddit are cited a lot. We know that chatbots cite their own stuff a lot. So Google, for example, cites its own products. OpenAI images appear in there as well. But Who, What, Where were the website that got cited 4th or 5th in the list there for that particular analysis. Right, so have a look at that. There's the QR code there. You can go and get that. Have a look at the subsector analysis, which is women's stockings. And the new trackers are there. They've been running for a while, so that's interesting to see the movements. There's some organic and some AI trackers there, citations and brands. So check that out. There's the list of the sortable list of kind of blueprints for success for you. Right. If you want to click through to the information that's available in all those reports, get the free trial. No credit card, no commitment at the moment. It's available to anyone. So sign up for that. sistrix.net/18s is the code there, and you'll get the free trial. The last thing I want to talk about is, we all know Screaming Frog. Been talking to them for a while, and it turns out that they are using SISTRIX data in their agency work. So Tom Jeffery actually created a report for us about how they're using SISTRIX data. And there's some good case studies in there, some processes in there. which I found interesting. There's also some information about the MCP integration, not only of SISTRIX, but also of Screaming Frog as well. So look at that QR code and you'll see how Screaming Frog are using SISTRIX and their own MCP server, combining that into reports. It's pretty fascinating, and I'm very happy that that's up on our blog. Thank you, Tom Jeffries. Right, that's it for today. We're going to be at Brighton SEO in October, so I hope to see you there, but we'll have another Stay Visible for you in August. Thanks for watching.